If you want to use your split screen mode on your Samsung Galaxy A56, well, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, let's open up two applications which support split screen mode. Keep it in your mind that not all of them do that. So tap on if you're using buttons, you'll tap on those three lines to open up your recent apps menu. If you're using gestures, simply swipe up and hold your finger a little bit. So here we are in our recent apps menu. So choose your recent app and simply drag it to the bottom. Now drop it, and basically that's it. Now we are in our split screen. If you want to resize those windows, you can simply use this handle to resize. To do your resize project. That's how you do this. And when you're done with your split screen, you're simply to close one of the apps, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.